Hello and welcome to my channel. Let us solve this set maths question. It says if 3x minus 5y is equal to 3, what's the value of 8 power x divided by 32 power y? So let us take this part. Now we know that 2 power cube is equal to 8. And we also know that 2 power 5 is 32. Because if 2 power cube is 8, 2 power 4 will be 8 multiplied by 2 which is 16, and 2 power 5 will be 16 multiplied by 2 which is 32. So I can go and write this as 2 power cube power x divided by power y or 2 power 5 power y. Now I can write this as 2 power 3x divided by 2 power 5y. And using the law of exponents, I can write this as 2 power 3x minus 5y. Now this 3x minus 5y is given to us which is equal to 3. I'm going to go on and put 3 over here, and 2 cube we know that is equal to 8. The right answer for this question is 8.